So this is a love reading for you, Virgo, for the month of June. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. Whether it is your boyfriend or girlfriend, or maybe someone you have a crush on, or is your ex, or maybe someone you were married to, or is currently your spouse. So this is a general reading and everything will not resonate with all Virgo, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So let us see how's the guidance. Now, who are you in the relationship, Virgo? Who is your partner? What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? Likewise, your partner has about you. What is the past you're coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. Now, you are somebody very, very flexible and at a very good position, Virgo. I see a king here, which is also telling me you're very well rounded and a very positive person. You have so much to give to people and you're amazingly flexible. But you see, right now the relationship is not at its peak or the most pink of its health or situation, because you are looking away. Your partner is also busy with something and not looking at you. So you are busy with your life or something career wise, and your partner is caught up with something going on with him or her. So right now the two of you are not spending as much time together. Also, when I look at these cards, you are somebody with the crown and a lot of authority, and your partner may be someone very simple or just somebody very regular background, or maybe not passed out from that good a great a college, or not at such a good job situation. This is also telling me your background. You may be coming from a very affluent family, and maybe your partner had to struggle a lot while growing up or had a very difficult childhood. And it's quite possible the two of you are in a similar job industry, because you see, you're holding a wand, Virgo, and your partner is also holding a wand. So you both look like you both work in the same industry or more or less have a same job situation. When I look at you, the partner, you're looking at going exploring. So it's very important for you to travel, and sometimes you can just leave everything behind and just go travel. What I love about this guidance, just looking at these two cards, is that you're not at all controlling, Virgo. You have given a lot of free hand to your partner or your spouse or your love interest, and you've just told them he or she can pursue their career or interest as they like. So your partner is just seems to be taking this advice, or literally taking this freedom that you're giving and flying with it. I'm just seeing your partner is wanting to explore something new or just take a lot of risk in the career. So it's also telling me you could be the one influencing your partner that, look, I made it big career wise, and you should take the risk and make it big as well. As I said, out of the two, I see you quite affluent, Virgo, in the relationship, while your partner may be someone very regular or still fighting for that promotion or a position work wise. Now, what is the strength or challenges you bring and your partner brings? You don't unnecessarily like to put up a fight or get into a certain competition or show of power. So you are not at all in a power struggle situation, Virgo. You're very content and secure in your situation, and you don't like to get into any kind of a conflict or a power struggle. So you give a lot of ease to your partner, and you're quite secure about the relationship and who you are just as a person. Your partner seems to be asking for a lot of help, and I'm just seeing that maybe some help has come in. Some of you, your partner could be living off a certain allowance. Maybe they're getting it, or from a job situation, or he or she is getting it from the government. And I'm just seeing a certain allowance. It's quite possible some of you Virgo are at a proper full paying job, and your partner is in an internship, is doing internship, or is doing some kind of vocational work. Because I'm seeing the money wise or authority wise the situation is not so good, but their prayers have been answered. So your partner is able to pursue the career but doesn't have much to show for as of now. Also, some help has come in for your partner. He or she is very happy also that whatever they were asking, they got it, and now he or she is free to pursue the career or work. There's not much happening right now romantically between the two of you. I'm seeing a lot of action energy. It's quite possible that you both are very career minded, and you both will like to have a very robust and a strong career before you make any future plans, or things get too romantic. I'm just seeing that not much time the two of you are spending together. Now, how do you see your partner, Virgo, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who is in some kind of a mental prison, and just doesn't seem to come out of it. So you may have tried a lot or tried your best to make it work or go traveling or just feel good about life, but your partner seems to be in this perennial situation of being stuck or being surrounded with a lot of conflict, or people who are arguing forever about something or the other. So I'm seeing that you want your partner to enjoy a lot, feel life, laugh a bit and just feel good about life, but your partner is just someone who's stuck with too many things, or just worries too much about just so many things not going right. This is also a guidance of not being able to help your situation out. It's quite possible that your partner may have had a certain health issue or a health scare, and he or she may have relapsed into it, or I don't know what's going on, but there is a certain health concern that could be bothering also, to your partner. Now, how does your partner see you? Your partner sees you exactly the opposite of who you are. So you are this very flexible, loving, giving, free hand person, and your partner feels you can be very, pulling down, not feeling best of spirits kind of a person. I'm just saying that sometimes your partner feels you don't agree with their beliefs, and instead of believing in the positive, you believe in the negative. So if you're this partner who believes like this about Virgo, I just want to tell you that Virgo is not this person. I don't know where and how did you pick this impression about Virgo. He or she is actually this very positive, giving, and very free-handed. Gives a lot of freedom and leeway to the person. So he or she is not at all negative, not at all controlling, and it's okay. Maybe Virgo may have criticized your plans a lot, but it doesn't mean he or she is negative or is pulling you down. Sometimes, it may have happened, and it could have, created this perception about Virgo in your head, but that's not who Virgo is. He or she is very beautiful and a very powerful personality. So there is some kind of a misunderstanding also going on here in the relationship. Maybe the two of you should definitely go on a holiday. I'm seeing the major concern is coming from the partner, where either it is a health reason where the partner cannot travel, or he or she is just too worked up about so many things not going right. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you, Virgo? You believe, Virgo, that despite all the effort and all that years that may go through, this relationship may not work out with this partner. And why you believe this? Maybe because there is a certain age gap, or he or she could be quite young or new to the work line of work that you are in, but there is some fear or concern you have that this relationship may not work out. And what is the hope or fear you have as a partner with Virgo? You believe this relationship is for keeps, that whatever Virgo is promising you, he or she will keep it, and whatever you are making a promise, you will keep it. So you are more positive. And Virgo being little bit not so convinced about this relationship could also be because as a partner you may not be saying a lot of lovey-dovey things, or there's not much love that Virgo is feeling from you, because your impression about Virgo is quite low. You should pick up and start to appreciate Virgo a bit more, and then maybe the cards and the energy will change. But you're quite positive about the future partner. You believe that you and Virgo will hold it together on the promise, and the long term will happen. Now, what is the past you're coming from, Virgo, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You can walk away from perfectly good situation, Virgo. I'm saying that sometimes you have said no to things that could have worked out very well. So you can ring in a surprise with certain emotional immaturity. You have walked away from a perfectly good love situation, or maybe with your ex also, when he or she was not at fault, or maybe even a family member. You just very quickly get offended. You want things exactly how you see it in your head, otherwise you feel very disappointed. You can be emotionally very demanding, Virgo. I'm just saying this is the energy you're coming from in the past. Now, what is the past you are coming from, partner? You spent a lot of time learning the work, or going to college and doing what needs to be done, and now you are at work. It's quite possible some of you gone to some very good college, and maybe for whatever reason, maybe it's a health reason or some accident, you were not able to pursue it or make it as well or big as Virgo. So that's how I'm seeing the guidance. You started off well, you seem to have been educated very well, but career wise things are not worked out as well for you, and the reason could be something to do with health, or maybe a small accident here or there. So what is overall the guidance for the reading? I'm seeing one, it's definitely moving, it's going somewhere, and the two of you are connecting with each other's family a lot. So the extended family for you, Virgo, and extended family for the partner, both of your families have met each other, or you both have met, or you both are making an effort to meet each other's families or friends and impress them. So I'm definitely seeing this relationship is definitely headed somewhere, or even if it is marriage, you both are investing a lot, and you do both talk a lot as well. So there's a lot of chit chatting, talking going on, trying to impress, and then a lot of bonding with family that's happening. So right now this relationship, instead of making future plans, you both are trying to go deep emotionally and getting to know each other very well. So looks good, and a bit of work, because I'm seeing the partner's health, or there is something that is a bit of a concern. And as a partner, you need to be showering, Virgo with love, or at least don't keep criticizing so much, because Virgo is way, way beautiful and nicer than you think. So maybe just change your opinion a bit. So, this is how the reading is looking like for you, Virgo, and your love interest.